Moonlight English Story. Can we learn while we sleep? Welcome to the Moonlight English Story. Tonight, we explore a magical idea. Can we really learn English while we sleep? Chapter 1. The Dream Begins. It was a quiet night. The moon was shining softly through the window. A boy named Sam lay in bed, thinking about his English homework. He had tried many methods to learn English, reading books, watching videos, even talking to himself in English. But nothing seemed to work well. "I wish I could learn English while I sleep," Sam whispered. Suddenly, a soft light filled the room. A gentle voice spoke. "Welcome to Moonlight Learning. Tonight, your dreams will teach you." Chapter 2. The Sleep Classroom. Sam found himself in a dream classroom. The walls were made of stars. The teacher was a glowing figure named Luna. She smiled and said, "Sam, in this dream, you will learn English in a new way. Just listen and relax." Luna began with simple words. Apple, book, chair, door. Sam repeated them slowly. The words floated around him like fireflies. Then Luna said short sentences. "This is a book. I sit on a chair. Open the door." Sam listened. He didn't feel tired. He felt happy. Chapter 3. Learning with Feelings. Luna explained, "When you sleep, your brain still works. It remembers feelings and sounds. If you feel happy while hearing English, your brain will keep those words." Sam smiled. He liked this dream. Luna told a story. Tom is a boy. He has a dog. The dog's name is Max. Tom and Max play in the park. They run and laugh. Sam imagined the story. He saw Tom and Max. He heard the words. He felt the joy. Chapter 4. The Science of Sleep Learning. Luna showed Sam a glowing book. It said, "The brain can learn sounds during light sleep. Repeating words before sleep helps memory. Listening to English stories while sleeping can improve understanding." But Luna warned, "You must also learn when awake. Sleep learning is magic, but not enough alone." Chapter 5. The Dream Test. Luna gave Sam a small test. Question 1. What is a dog? Answer: a dog is an animal. Question 2. Where do Tom and Max play? Answer: in the park. Question 3. What do you do with a book? Answer: I read a book. Sam answered with ease. He was learning. Chapter 6. Waking Up with Words. The stars began to fade. Luna said, "Sam, it's time to wake up. But remember, English is your friend. Listen, feel, and enjoy." Sam opened his eyes. The sun was rising. He remembered the words. Apple, book, chair, door. He smiled. "I can learn English, even in my dreams." Chapter 7. Real Practice. Sam started a new habit. Every night, he listened to simple English stories before sleep. Every morning, he wrote down what he remembered. He also practiced during the day, speaking with friends, watching English cartoons, reading short stories. His English improved. He felt confident. Chapter 8. Sharing the Magic. Sam told his friends, "Try Moonlight Learning. Listen to English before sleep. Feel happy. Learn slowly. His friends tried it. They liked it. They learned together. Chapter 9. Tips for Sleep Learning. Here are Sam's tips. Listen to simple English before sleep. Use headphones with soft volume. Choose happy stories. Repeat keywords. Write what you remember in the morning. Practice during the day. Be patient. Chapter 10. The journey continues. Sam still learns every night. His dreams are full of stories, words, and joy. He knows that sleep learning is not magic, but it helps. He believes English is not just a language. It's a light in the night. So, dear reader, tonight when you sleep, play a simple English story. Let your dreams help you learn. Welcome to Moonlight Learning.